morning students. I hope you all have done test. Now it's time for checking solution of the test. Let us start. You will check your answers which I am telling and you will assess marks. Let us start question number 1. The numeral for 6005. How you will write? As 1000 up to 1000 place digits. Up to 1000 place you will write places, and with 1000 6 sound coming, so below 1000 you will write 6, and no 100 sound coming, no 10 sound coming, so you will put 0 in 100 and 0 in 10s. Only 5 is in ones place. So right answer is A option. 6005 will be written as 6005. Question number 2. The numeral for 7000 plus 100 plus 7. You will write its reduced form or short form. In the same way, first we will write places up to 1000. Sound with 1000, 7. 100, 100 means 1 in 100. No tens given, 2 digit number. Only 1 digit number, so here are 0 tens and 7 ones. So our answer is 7107. Now we will match the options. Which answer match our answer, that we will write. 7000, our answer is B. 7107. Now question number 3. The correct Roman numerals for 39. As I told you earlier that when the number is given 2 digit number, we break the numbers into tens and ones. 30 plus 9. Now 30 will be written as 3 times x, 10, 10, 10, and 9 will be written as ix. So 39 will be written as x, 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 ix. Now match your answers with the option. Which option is correct? C. C option is correct. Now question number 4. Round off 6245 to the nearest tens. Write the number first. Nearest 10 we have to find, so tens place digit we will circle. Put arrow to the right, and in right ones place digit is 5. Write it aside. Compare with 5. 5 and 5 both are equal. For the rule, if 5 and more than 5, then what we do? We add 1 to the circle digit. So 5 and right digit to the circle digit will turn to 0, and 100 and thousands place digit will remain same. As in finding rounding of nearest to tens, we will deal only last 2 digits, ones and tens. Rest 2 digits will remain same. So our answer is 6245 will be rounded to 6250. 50. Now we will see option, which option is matching to our answer. Then we will tick that option. And the answer is A option. Now question number 5. Write place value of 9 in 8980. First write the number as 9 in 100 place. So place value of 9 will be 900. So our right answer is 900. We will match our options. Option C is having 900. So option C is our right answer. Now take question number 7. Question number 7 is write Roman numerals for 54. The number is 54. Roman numeral this is question number 7. First we will do question number 6. I have left. We will do question number 6 first. Which is the smallest number in the following numbers? We are given 3 numbers: 4112, 2062, and option C is 1104. First we will see all the 3 numbers, how many digits? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. All are having 4 digits. So now we will compare first digit, which is in thousand place. Here 4, here 2, here 1. Now 1 is the smallest, so this number is smallest. Our answer is C option, 1104 is the smallest number. Now question number 7. Write the Roman numeral for 54. We will break into tens and ones. 5 tens means 50 plus 4. Symbol for 50 is L and 4 will be written as IV. So we will combine L, I, V. Now we will see which option is right. We will match our answer to the options and option B is right. L, I, V. Now question number 8. What is 1 more than 999? 1 more than means we will add 1 to 999. First we will solve our question. Then we will match the options to our answer. 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 1 or 1 plus 9, again 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 9, 10. So our right answer is 1000. Now we will see which option is right. Option C is right, which is having 1000. Now question number 9. What is 1 less than 8999? To find less than 1 means we will subtract 1 from the given number. Nine minus 1 is 8. 9 as it is, as nothing to subtract. 9, 8 will remain same. Now our answer is 8998. We will match our options which are given in question. Our answer is A option. Now question number 10. What is short form of 8000 plus 80? What we will do to solve it? We arrange the numbers in columns and add. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 will remain same as nothing to add. 8 will remain same. So our right answer is 8080. Another way, how we can write short form: ones, tens, 100, 1000. Non-zero digits we will write 8000. No 100 given, we will put 0. Now tens, non-zero tens are 8, so we will write 8 in tens column, and no 0 is here, so this 0 will go in ones place. So in both way we can do by addition also, we can do in short form also, reduced form which we say. So right answer we will match in answer options, and the option A is matching to our answer, so option A is right. In this way we solve our test. Hope you understand all the questions. Now you will assess yourself that how many questions are right and how many